Horticulture stands tall, feeding Australia and the world. Our growers are leading the way, growing high-quality, nutritious produce that's sought after by consumers here in Australia and abroad. The sector's value has surged 23% over the past 5 years. With this growth comes opportunity. For Hort Innovation, our role is to help advance Australian horticulture as industry's research and development corporation. Our vision is for a prosperous and sustainable Australian horticulture industry built on innovation. For Hort Innovation, the whole industry is the whole point. We are working across the breadth of a sector that stretches the country, that feeds every Australian, and that it has a bright future based on the world's best growers, leveraging the best innovation to deliver the world's best product, Australian horticulture. An expanding industry appetite for export, increasing sustainability priorities within a profitable, biosecure food system, and driving consumer demand underpin our strategy and the investments we make.
The grower levy that we pay, we've used that in the last few years to actually improve the industry through the R&D. There's been a lot of work done on, so the technology that's been used now is cutting edge as far as applying nutrition and getting the maximum bang for your buck for water. Currently on our property we're hosting a research project for whole orchard recycling. This project takes the trees, we grind them up and into virtually chips, spread them out and incorporate them into the soil. We get one shot in probably 30 years with a blank canvas with our soil, and this is an ideal opportunity to do it.
Enhancing and safeguarding supply is critical to the horticulture industry and is therefore a key imperative for Hort Innovation. Pest threats such as Varroa mite present new challenges for industry.
So this research will benefit Australian growers by providing us with another alternative to broad spectrum pesticides that we commonly use on our pests. And that is critical at the moment because Varroa is spreading around Australia and there are many pesticides that we can use on mites, but mites are becoming resistant to those molecules. The main way that our pesticide will change the way we manage Varroa mites is that we don't need to use chemicals in the hive that harm bees and the environment. So by targeting a specific molecule to the pest, it means that our honeybees won't suffer any negative consequences.
Another important point here is that humans, mammals, birds, fish and so on don't use this ecdysone hormone at all. And so what we think that's going to give us is a really strong safety profile for other organisms in the ecosystem. This is really going to have a huge benefit for beekeepers and their ability to deliver pollination services across a whole range of horticultural industries.
With a projected excess of 500,000 tonnes of produce expected in Australia over the next decade, on behalf of industry, more than $150 million is being invested into market access, trade and marketing initiatives that aim to accelerate local and global demand.
The expansion of export markets is important. When I first started the industry 30 odd years ago, we were supplying enough for local consumption only. We were producing about 5,000 tonnes back then. Now we're up to about 140, 150,000 tonnes. So we need to find a home. So to be able to have a partner like HIA that allows us to work with them to go overseas, promote our industry and our product is an important role that shouldn't be taken lightly.
The export market has come ahead in leaps and bounds. 10 years ago was in the vicinity of a $30 million market. Today it stands at about $620 million. The grower levy is paramount in ensuring the future of our industry. We need to invest in markets, we need to invest in R&D, and without them I don't see us expanding. We need to continue to expand to have markets for our fruit that we're growing in more and more volumes every year.
Currently, only 6% of Australians eat the recommended daily intake of fruit and vegetables. And through various industry levy-funded marketing programs delivered through Hort Innovation, we are working to turn that around, to equip Aussie horticulture for the challenges of now and the future, it is vital that Australian research is at a world standard and that we partner with industry to get results.
I've seen the industry progress, and now with the horticultural innovation involved too, it sort of strengthened the whole business.
Through Strategy 24 to 26, a key priority is to maximise and diversify investments, including strategic projects, partnerships and investment plans. Making the culture thrive through collaboration and being customer-focused and investing in industry capability is also an important imperative for Hort Innovation.
You know, we appreciate the levy and the research and that goes in to keep us to the fore.
Through its efforts, Hort Innovation is set to support the horticulture industry now and well into the future.
The future for horticultural growers is extremely bright. There's an absolute plethora of technologies available now, of data analysis to help them streamline their businesses.
Yeah, I believe Australian horticulture does have a bright future. The levy-funded export communication program is really important for growers. The newest research, the newest info on developing markets, protocols, and where the industry's got ahead.
For us, partnering with Hort Innovation is a really exciting opportunity, not only because they've been good enough to provide us with funding to pursue a relatively early stage project. We're connected with the growers and the producers and also the industries who are potentially going to make the most use of the research that we carry out.